All right, we are in Laona, Wisconsin. Decided to hit it one more time because
we decided.
Yeah, it was 45 degrees and raining in February, and the little base that we did have was gone. Like, my yard is dirt. Pretty salty about it, so we decided to come up north. We're renting this Airbnb from Bill. It's pretty awesome. The trail is right there, and Laona's a pretty cool little town. I don't know, it has the world's biggest soup kettle. Here comes a dog.
Hello, friend.
What's up?
Hey, go on home. Go on home. Oh, you're very cute, though. Hi, yes.
Hi. All right, so again, we're not sponsored, but I love this drone. I have crashed it quite a few times, pretty much every time I'm taking it out recently. I mean, other than occasionally breaking a prop, it's been quite durable. But I did have an issue where my drone wasn't tracking correctly and it was just kind of flying weird. So I reached out to Skydio. They were able to confirm there was nothing wrong with the drone. So I guess just one of the lenses were dirty. But just to be cool, they sent me this box of Skydio swag. And I wanted to share it just because it's funny. You'll see why in a second. So got a Skydio hat, pretty dope, like it. Some Skydio stickers, cool. And a Skydio t-shirt, you know, whatever. But here's the whole reason I'm even filming this, because they sent me some Skydio socks, boys. Like, look at this.
I'm trying to get them in frame, yeah.
This is hilarious. They're drone socks. I didn't even know such a thing existed. So thank you, Skydio. You guys are an awesome company. I'm so much happier using your products than DJI, and love the socks.
Welcome to Crack an Egg That You Can't. Hey Rob, do you happen to know any facts about Lombard steam haulers?
Maybe.
You wanna drop some knowledge?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. Nice takeout bevy at Mulligan's now that we were here on the right day.
I'm cool on Tuesdays.
Yeah. They had a really nice setup inside with like a takeout section so you don't have to go into the whole restaurant, and nobody looked at me like I was crazy for wearing a mask, and they make really good drinks and food, so yay.
Should be. I'm gonna channel some squirrely here.
Okay.
Did you ever notice that the same people that claim COVID is a flu are the same people that didn't really go very far in life? It kind of makes a fella wonder.
Okay, all right. Maybe just listen to scientists. It's all I'm saying. Okay.
I'm just gonna listen to the people who went to school for microbiology related information, and I'm going to listen to plumbers for plumber related information, and I'm going to listen to drywallers for drywalling tips, and I'm going to listen to climate change scientists about climate change. I just think it's weird how there are these people that didn't go far.
A little off the rails. We're getting a little off the rails here.
They didn't go far in life. They didn't go far in life. But somehow they're experts in like all these things, and I just don't get it.
They tried to pick too many things to be experts in, apparently, and they were, yes, exactly, that's what it is.
And they didn't go to school for any of it.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Yeah, if they had just focused on one, then they could have really, really like rocketed. But,
maybe,
you know, okay.
Maybe
right, we're gonna
stop.
Yeah, we're gonna stop now. This has been a fun day.
Bluebird day. Perfect for some rips. Reps.
Brap rips. not.
Raps, reps, revelations.
There you go.
Raps, rips, reps, revelations.
No rips.
Just ripping. Rips.
Just raps.
Start. That's so loud.
I know.
It was so slow.
Guy with this little kid on there. You were like, rip it. They're like, I am.
No. Very fast, Sarah. Very fast.
Vroom vroom.
Crashed a drone.
Again.
Solidified the first snowmobile. And went to Wabi and Mulligan's. Successful day.
Yep. Nice social distanced, COVID safe bevies and stuff. Way to support some businesses that we like. Yeah. That's good.
There's the world's largest soup kettle. There you go. Day 3. Yeah, there's a prowler and a snowbank. What? Why would you leave that outside? That's weird as shit. I have never seen a prowler outside just chilling in a snowbank. We are in Crandon. Got some to-go bevies at Night Owl. Thanks, dudes. Now we're in a gazebo of whatever this is. Drinking illicit substances. Taking in some of that D. I don't know what lake this is, but we're gonna try the Skydio drone without any tree branches and see what she can do. It is a little windy. It's probably the windiest conditions I've flown it in, but I think it'll be okay.
It's right here.
All right, so that's about it for this trip. We saw the world's largest soup kettle. We figured out the Wabino Phoenix is definitely the world's first snowmobile. If you disagree, you're wrong. Crashed the drone again, but I think if you were in an area that had a lot of pine trees, it'd do a lot better. It's those really spindly branches that it just doesn't do well on. So
Crashed it twice, technically.
yeah.
I rode to Michigan. That was a big deal. I wanted to ride up to the UP, and we did that in a blizzard.
Yeah, brutal. We found a makeshift shelter to get warm.
Yeah.
Dish. We weren't warm.
No.
It is now 39 degrees and sunny, and it looks like there's one more weekend left. I don't think we're going to be coming back, but yeah, this is way fun. Everyone should do this. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a comment. Cheers, boys.